So I always inform each and everyone, just make sure that you are logged in with the Google account that has been provided by the Amity University, or they create the Google account for you in order to log in the portal. So once you are into the portal, you can go and enroll. You can make a new enrollment for you for the particular program that you want to go with. So here you will get two options, Indian or international. If you are international, you can just give your respective details over here in the form, and you can fill out the form and start your application. Or if you are Indian, then you will give our Indian code and your mobile number, all the respective details in the field correctly, so that they will call you if your eligibility criteria is qualified. So here two options for the student login portal: either login with email and login with OTP. So here you will get login with email option. I have already saved my credentials, so that I will just go ahead with this option. And here this is the portal where you can see my iCard I have got from Amity University online. So my batch is showing for 2023 to 2025, and I'm doing just Master of Business Administration program, so that it will show my all the details. If I want to change my password, I will go here and just put my old password, new password, and confirm it. Similarly, we usually do in for the other methods. So here is the online payment option. You can see I have just opted EMI, no cost EMI for this course. There is a Great Question third party who has just just given me a loan, and my EMI usually get deducted from my Axis Bank account, or any account you have. You can just get the loan for this as well, no cost EMI, so that it will just deduct on basis of monthly basis. And as I have already submitted my semester fee, so it is not just popping out any details for me, because I have already just submitted the fee. So I don't have to worry, I will not face any other challenges. And there is a employment details, like if I want to generate my admit card or anything, so I have to give my whether I am currently employed or not. Although I have employed currently, so I will just generate my admit card by filling all the details. Here is the exam schedule option. This option we use to get the date sheet, or the exam date sheet. Once we get the exam date sheet, then you will get option to just schedule your exam along with the available slots, and you can just schedule the exams as per your convenient slots. Like there are 4 to 5 slots are available, and if I want to just start my exam, then I have to give the access key here. Once I'll give the access key, that I will get in my admit card what I receive, and I will give my access key, so that it will take me to the exam session as per my slot, whichever I book to give my exam. And here is too many options, like feedback option, generate admit card. I have already showed you how just admit card to be created. And here is the view dashboard. This is the very important part. All the details you will get here in a dashboard, like roll number, enrollment number, and all the kind of details which usually help you to take the things to the next step. So these are all the details you will find here. I'm just checking my result here for the first semester. See, here you can see my result on online mark sheet that I have received, and here you can see too many options, internal and term. So I'm just saying, like internal is to be mentioned as a pass. If you are not able to complete your milestone, just please make sure that all the milestones or the modules are completed, so that it will just mention as a pass for your mark sheet, and you will be able to just get a good marks, and you will be able to show as a pass. Otherwise they will mention as fail, as too many people have faced the challenges, as they didn't just complete their milestones, and they got failed in the internal options. So just make sure that you have completed all the milestones. Think about this program, watch my video. After watching my video, let me know the comments and the doubts, and any challenges if you have come up with, then you can just mention in my comment box. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel, share my channel, and press the like button. Bye bye and take care.